Hey there! In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for the Amazon affiliate program step by step. By joining this program, you can promote products like this one and earn commissions for every sale made through your unique affiliate links. So, let's get started. First things first, head over to the Amazon Associates page. The easiest way to do this is by searching Amazon Associates on Google. Click on the official Amazon Associates link that appears. Note that if you're planning to promote products from other Amazon platforms like the UK or India, you'll need to sign up for their respective affiliate programs separately. Once you're on the Amazon Associates page, click on Sign Up to create your account. You'll be prompted to enter your name, address, and a valid phone number. After filling out this information, click Next. Next, you'll need to provide links to your website or social media accounts. If you have a YouTube channel or a website, you can use those as your primary traffic sources. Simply enter the URLs of your chosen platforms. Make sure your social media accounts have some content on them before adding them here. Confirm whether any of your traffic sources are directed at children under 13. Then, click Confirm and proceed to the next step. Enter your preferred Associate Store ID. This will be attached to your Amazon affiliate links. Choose something that reflects your brand or content niche. Additionally, describe the type of content you create, such as tutorials or reviews. Select the category that best describes your content and how you heard about the program. Complete the CAPTCHA verification. Agree to the terms, and click Finish to submit your application. Congratulations! You've successfully applied to the Amazon Associates program. You'll receive an Associates ID, and your application will be reviewed by Amazon. Once approved, you'll gain full access to the Amazon Associates dashboard. To start promoting products, go to the Tools section and enable Site Stripe. This feature allows you to generate affiliate links directly from Amazon product pages. Simply search for products, select the ones you want to promote, and use Site Stripe to get your affiliate links. And there you have it. You're now ready to start earning commissions through the Amazon affiliate program. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.